Hey guys, today we're putting in a fuel tank in Big Chief. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are putting the fuel tank back in a Big Chief.
Shouldn't be super complicated, it came out pretty easy. But we've replaced a few parts and I'm gonna kind of walk you through a little bit of that. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the old tank straps that went under there. They are awfully rusted, flimsy, falling apart. Ordered new ones off Amazon. They did come with new hardware, and we've taken the rubber covers off of the old tank straps and we've installed them on the new ones to hopefully keep everything a little more secure. We've got tank strap bolts just barely started. I'm going to throw on a little bit of anti-seize just for peace of mind. And that's it, guys. Fuel tank is back in Big Chief. Not an overly complicated process. 2 bolts holding up the strap, a few fuel lines, the filler, the return, the vent, the plug-in for the fuel pump. Not overly complicated. But I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.